Hi, I'm Jill Somstek, the Head of Developments and Engineering of URMA Switzerland. We are going to speak about the new URMA Test Center. We are here in the new URMA Test Center, what is sector of the R&D department. The most tool tests are for R&D, like prototype tests of new developed tools, but also benchmark tests like new coatings, new geometries, chip formers, new grades, and even the influence of different coolants can be tested here. A bigger part of time we also invest in, we call that customer tests. That means, for example, if we design and produce a special tool for a dedicated customer application, we are going to test that here in our test center to make sure this tool works well and fulfills all the application requirements. And last but not least, this test center is the best place for dedicated customer seminaries with practical part and trainings mostly for our own sales and application engineers from all over the world, because this is one of our tight standards to train our experts continuously on the machine to keep the knowledge level very high and offer the best support to our customers. As more than 80% of all tools and applications are running on machining center, it makes sense that our major equipment is this vertical machining center with HSK 100. If we are doing prototype tests, we are in need of all the data from the cutting edge during the machining process. That's the reason why we need this type of tool holder called Spike. It's full of sensors and gives us exactly those kind of data, like for example torque, axial and radial forces, and many others. If we are talking about tool holders in general, we need to guarantee that all the results we get are not badly affected by the tool holders. That's the reason why we trust in the RegoFix Power Grip. This system offers the highest rigidity and still the flexibility of a collet system. A nice other feature is this surface roughness measuring device from Bloom. It allows to check surface roughness directly after the machining process in the machine with the machine. That helps to reduce dramatically handling time. If it comes to take videos of the tool tests or even application tests, our machine is fixed equipped with this high-resolution camera. Summarizing, we can say, with this test center, we are able to optimize our development processes a lot. And in addition, and that's very important too, we could dramatically increase our support quality to you, our customer.